Okay guys, welcome back to another video at Exeter St David's for my usual, yes you guessed it didn't you, my usual Sunday afternoon session. And coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Penzance. I believe this is actually more or less on time. 43198 at the front, the driver Stan Martin nameplate at the front. We also have a Great Western Railway service from Exeter Central to Paignton. Yes, you heard me right on there, Exeter Central to Paignton. I'll explain about that in a minute. St Michael's mate at the back, the 43005. Okay, so yeah, this video today, my usual Sunday afternoon session, will be different. There's no South Western Railway trains running today. I don't know why. I don't know if it's to do with engineering works or they could be on the strike. I'm not entirely sure, but they're not running today. I noticed they weren't running yesterday either, so yeah, you won't be seeing no South Western Railway trains unfortunately, but you will still see services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry. This will be a bit of a different video because of no South Western Railway trains running, and the fact that the services to Paignton are only going as far as Central. The line past Central to Exeter is closed at the moment. Apparently it's going to reopen later on this evening and trains will run back to Exeter this evening. A bit weird in my view. They might as well just keep the line closed between Central and Exeter for the day if there's, you know, more work to do there. So bit weird one that. Speaking of a cross-country service, we've got a cross-country service going out now to Edinburgh, it looks like. 221137 is the number on the train. I believe it's only a 5 coach. That is indeed. Fair few people on board. So yeah, that's the state of play for today's video. It's going to be a bit of a, I wouldn't say weird one, but a slightly different one. We got an IT over on platform 6, it looks like. That'll be going off to London Paddington in the next couple of minutes. We got an IT in the sidings down there. I'm thinking that will work a service to London Paddington later on as well. So yeah, obviously I'll just get what I can on camera. I think the services from Barnstaple are normal, and obviously the longer passenger trains are normal today. It's just there's no South Western Railway trains running, and the services to Paignton are only starting at Central, so that's the only difference really. But you know, it is a slight difference of course, so yeah. So yeah, without further ado guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, well we got the Great Western Railway service to Paignton now. Even 247 is at the front and didn't have quite have the time to go down the other end to see the front on the front area like I normally do. I'll get you the number at the front of this train in the next clip. And there she goes. Okay guys, we're back in the video here at Exeter St David's. Just changed positions. I'm down the other end of the platform now, in the middle platform. I think about to go out now will be a Great Western Railway service from Exeter Central to Oakhampton. I just found out that the 2 diagrams on the Oakhampton line today are run by 158s, which is quite a rare sight in my view. You normally occasionally get one on there, but for both of the diagrams to be both 158s is a rare sight. So yeah, this one is about to go out now. It is on time as well. .767 doing the honours. little wave from the driver there, thanks for that. I'm not sure how long this video will be, basically because we obviously know South Western Railway trains running, and the trains running on the Peyton line today, they're only going as far as Central, so it kind of limits, slightly more limits how many trains I can get on camera really. I'll try and make the video long as I can. Okay, there's that one then, so we'll be back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, back in the video, and we're about to come in now will be a Great Western Railway service from Barntsville to Exeter Central. I think I'm going to be saying Exeter Central a lot in this video today. So yeah, this service to London Paddington should be leaving within the next minute or so. Got the Barntsville service coming in now. This should be the 9:50 then. I just been given the information on that. I'll tell you more information in a minute once this goes past. I-50 looking a little bit filthy there from the sides. Okay, well, so we got the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington is about to depart. It's a 10 coach IET as well. Way to film it that way for. And we got another IET coming in as well, which I'm assuming will go on to platform 3, so actually I'll keep the camera rolling this way. Numbers on this is 802019 and 802016 at the back. A reasonably busy service as well, quite a few people on the train. Alright, let's quickly go up here. See this IET come in. This will form the, I believe, the 14:15 service to London Paddington. Like I said, guys, got some more information, more news. I'll tell you about that as this goes past. Slowly gliding her way in will be 802101. And there we go. So guys, the other news I wanted to tell you is that the Flying Scotsman's going to be returning back down here to Devon and Cornwall for her birthday next year, and the date for that will be Sunday the 30th of April 2023. So put that in your diary. No doubt that that Sunday will be busy, as it was busy the last time the Flying Scotsman came down here. I think it was October 2018 the Flying Scotsman was last down here. so that's been a good 4 years now. So she is returning back down here next year, Sunday the 30th of April 2023. So just to keep you informed on that. Not sure where I will be recording that, but I definitely will be recording it. I'm just not sure where I'll be recording it. It may end up here, but I want to try and record it somewhere else. But I'm assuming that the Flying Scotsman will probably stop here for a good fuel up again, like it did last time. So I may record it from here, because you'll get to see a nice epic departure again, no doubt. So yeah, so that's the other news I wanted to tell you guys. So we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay guys, back in the video, and going out now is a Great Western Railway Series 2 Exeter Central 263 front. Yeah, 219 at the back. Okay, coming in now is a Great Western Railway Series from Penzance to Cardiff Central, run by a Castle set. But this one is more or less on time. Number at the front is 43016, Powderham Castle. You got the 43162 at the back, Carhays Castle. That's a, I think that's a new nameplate. That is more or less a new nameplate. There she is. Okay, we're back in the video and about to go out now. We'll be the Great Western Railway Series to Cardiff Central. This one is running slightly late now. What's it leaves? Zoomed in there a bit too much there. There she goes. Sounding good as always. Okay, I was about to... Okay, I thought I heard another train coming in there for a minute. Strange. I actually did. I thought I did. Here's a terminating in service from Exeter Central. Terminating here. We got 234 at the front. And 249 at the back. Now this is going to run a pointless service back to Exeter Central a little bit later on. Now normally it runs back to Exmouth, but obviously as you know, there's a thing on a Sunday to Exmouth is it's not seen to be running today. But yeah, it's going to run a pointless service back to Exeter Central, which is a bit weird. So yeah. Okay guys, we're back in the video, and I'm going to be back with the last train of the video, and it's a Great Western Railway service from Oakhampton to Exeter Central, and it's the other 158, the 158-766. 15806, it's looking a little filthy. Looking a bit tatty as well. Okay, well, as she goes out, I'm going to have to leave it here. ASS St David's on this Sunday afternoon, a bit of a different one to say the least, obviously, with no South Western Railway trains running, and the services from Exeter Central going to Painton today, which is different as well. And yeah, we did see one cross-country service. We did see a castle set. We saw an IET here, well, a few IETs. We saw a few double 150s. We saw two 158s as well. So really not too bad still, to be fair, despite the slight differences today. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, nonetheless. If you did, leave a big fat like. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. So yeah, that's about it. So until next time, from me here at quite a blowy and chilly Exeter St David's, I shall see you all soon, guys. Take care.